The Real Flex is going to get your hair done, but it still looks good. So I'm going to get my hair done today at a salon. Curly Hair Design is the first salon that I went to when I first started dropping oils and butters. I have a whole video on my channel actually of me having a whole discussion with Paula. She's the owner. Oh, my skin is so dry. So I will link it over here somewhere for you. Today I'm going back and I'm very excited. This appointment was actually booked even before I gave birth because I wanted this time for me. I wanted this time for Jen. Listen, you were someone before you became a mother, and I think it's so important to cultivate that, to keep that essence of who you are. And y'all know for me, hair is a big part, self-care is a big part, skincare is a big part. Where am I in my routine? I'm working with this brand, so I'm trying out this product for a little while before I post about it. Focus. It's an anti-aging serum. It's very interesting the way it sips into the skin, but it's supposed to help with aging, wrinkles and fine lines, etc. So anyways, that's not why you're here. Self-care is a big part of who I am, and that's how I've been keeping myself together postpartum. A lot of you said I'm recovering very well, and I think I am, and it's because of me doing the things that I like, which is creating and keeping myself together. My shower routine, my self-care routine, my time alone. I want to get back into doing yoga and all the things that I did before having baby, but you know, time is a little bit more limited nowadays. I'm still contemplating if I want to do my makeup because today is technically a very chill day. Oh, I can hear the baby crying. But Bae's taking care of it. Not my problem today. Makeup. I want to do something super light. And it's funny because I say that, but I actually don't like light makeup on me. It's 0 to 100. It's either I leave my skin bare like this, which I love, or I go all the way face beat, which I also love. In between, I find looks weird, but let's see what I have. Let's not die. Okay, I have this really light foundation by Forever 21. Makeup Forever that I am going to use. And you know what? I have a bunch of Makeup Forever stuff too. And this palette, which is very interesting because it has everything you need. Bronzer, blush. Clearly I've been using this area a lot, so I'm gonna use that. I think that's all I'm gonna use. Keep it light, keep it cute. And I mixed 2 colors to get my perfect match. Do I look the same? I feel like I look the same. Hair is looking really good though, but it's too bad that we are going to get it washed. I haven't been washing my hair consistently lately, so this is a good thing to get some hydration in. If your hair is dry, wash it more often. I don't know what to tell you. What time is it? Oh, 10:55, let's go.
So it'll look longer when it's wet, we pull it out.
Okay.
But when it dries, will sit different.
It's interesting. I thought this part was the looser area.
Yeah, looser
also,
here.
all the
Right, but because it's tight, and I'll leave more behind so that you have more length.
Okay. And like I really want a good cleanse for my scalp and just
So
everything.
tell me, what have you been using for shampoo and conditioner?
Well, you know.
A little bit of this.
I love it of that. I love
Okay.
products. I'm never gonna lie.
Have you done?
I haven't clarified in a while.
Okay, so we'll clarify today.
I feel like that's the next question.
Yeah, because I'm like, when was the last time, if any? So we'll clarify today.
Yeah, I haven't clarified in a while.
I will do the Earth Tones Moisturizing Shampoo.
Okay.
After they clarify. Once I feel it when it's wet, we'll probably do like a hydrating conditioner like the regular.
Okay.
I don't reach for deep conditioners too often.
I haven't deep conditioned in like 2 years.
Because as long as you are consistent and regularly washing, then
You don't need it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's funny because that's all I used to do for like my entire life.
Yeah.
Every week I was deep conditioning.
Because it's like you're trying to do what you should do just regularly, all at once, right? So it's meant as a treatment or to like a boost, or if you're chronically dry, to help you kind of get there. But as long as you're doing everything consistently, regularly, you shouldn't need it, unless you're like super low porosity and your hair like, has a really hard time holding onto moisture.
Okay.
But let's go ahead and wash.
The fact that I used to be terrified of stylists, but yet in the past year or so, I want to say I've seen like 3 or 4 different stylists. Isn't it crazy? That's what I call growth or getting over your fears, because back in the days, I've had the worst experience with stylists. We all know how they treated 4C hair. They always wanted to straighten it or perm it or do something different to it. And now that natural hair is more in the scene and stylists are more accepting of natural hair, I am more comfortable seeing one, and I actually love getting pampered. Oh, it was amazing. Love having someone scrub it up my hair. It's one of the best feeling, honestly, and probably the reason why I booked this appointment. That's why I came here for. I just wanted someone to take care of Jen. Not Jen taking care of Jen, but someone to take care of Jen. I tell you, I left my house so quick. I was like, take care of your baby, bye. Keep her alive. See ya. There's a huge difference to just sit there, grab yourself a nice coffee on the way, and have someone just scrub your scalp clean, wash your hair, detangle it for you, condition it, style, and you don't have to lift a finger. Oh, the ultimate luxury. Now, if you notice, she actually started detangling my hair with the first clarifying shampoo, and then we moved on to the next shampoo. Now, this video, I'm not gonna go into detail as to what's going on, the step-by-step, because I have several videos on my channel breaking down how to do a wash and go, how to style, how to wash, how to condition, all of it in great detail. So I will link these videos down below, but this is more about self-care. Just a little conversation around taking care of yourself, not forgetting what you've always liked, what you always enjoyed, especially if you are a mother now, or if you're a wife, or if you have people that you're taking care of. No one's going to take care of yourself like you. So take a moment for you. Do something that you like. And I would like to argue that self-care has many different faces. It's not just taking care of your hair or buying expensive things or going on trips. I believe that self-care starts from the inside out. It starts from what you eat, the quality of sleep that you get, working out and strengthening your body, working on your mind. It looks different for all of us, and a lot of times we don't put emphasis on all the different aspects of self-care that makes us feel better, that makes us reach the higher version of ourselves. I don't mean to preach, girl, so let's get back to this hair. So you're really taking your time, is it working in the conditioner or just?
Yeah, you want to work it through the strands and then keep everything kind of juicy. If you feel like the hair right now, if you feel like your hair is like soaking everything up, add a little bit more water, add a little bit more conditioner. So you want to keep it wet for the whole process, because once it starts to get dry,
yeah,
it's all gone.
Because I definitely don't. I can't say I do all of that. The way stylists can take their time to really pamper our strands, I really wonder if we can get salon quality results at home. Because girl, she was taking her time with every single strand of hair, and then just when I thought she was done, she had that steam going. My hair felt like absolute butter. And then she pulled this combo move on me. I've never seen it done before. She cut my hair with the conditioner in it. Can you believe this? I've never seen this done before. Basically what I wanted is my hair to be top heavy. So take a bit of the back and the side off and leave much of the top, which is exactly what she did, and basically an update to the shape I already had. It smells sour.
That's not, I promise.
The way her face is so excited, like, like I still don't understand why you're walking around with that. Like, is this lunch? Is it like a snack?
Yeah, it's my favorite fruit.
Now, if you can tell, we're having a grand time at the salon. It really felt like a sisterhood. We're talking to everyone. It was fun. It almost felt like a little therapy session because we're all mothers, so we're talking about our kids as well. But yeah, I don't know how we can get salon quality results at home, seeing how they really take their time with our hair. Now, one thing that I've been hearing in these internet streets is how curly cuts have been destroying natural hair. It hasn't been my experience so far, and I don't know if it's because every time I get my hair quote-unquote trim, I typically get a whole cut. I get a whole shape. I change it up so often. Over the past couple of years, I've cut my hair several times, so I don't know if that's the reason why I haven't noticed any excessive split ends. But I've been hearing some pretty scary stuff about how people have been experiencing a lot of split ends with curly cuts, and I'm not sure if it's because they're not taking off enough hair. so the split ends are still there, or if it's some other reason, because the cut itself shouldn't be causing split ends. Anyways, I feel like I should make a whole other video on that because I need to investigate a little further, you know what I mean? Because I'm not trying to get my hair damaged, especially if it can be prevented. I still remember the first time someone, it was a live I was having on YouTube, and someone was like, have you considered just putting gel in your hair after you wash it? And I was like, immediately blocked. Like, you're not gonna come here and sabotage me and my hair. Like, get out of here, this is a troll. And then I remember the first time I did it, I was like, you know what, there's something there, just feeling how much water I had left in my hair after I washed it, and like, with the gel and everything, I was like, you know what?
This is so crazy.
I still remember when I first started this method and how different everything was from what I always knew and what I've always been doing. And one thing that I find annoying now after doing it for a couple of years is how limited the product choice is if you quote unquote want healthy hair, because everything is very heavy in oils and butters, which is what you're told to avoid. But then the products that you should use is a short, limited list. And I just don't want to get into the politics of it all. I like using products. I want to use different things. So I find it to be quite restricting. For example, I had product buildup on my hair and scalp coming in because I've been using a bunch of different other products. So what is healthy hair and how restrictive does this method have to be? But one question I ask is about how to take care of your hair at night.
Nighttime
care or routine.
Before I would just put the bonnet on and I would just accept
Whatever
changes. Whatever happens, just fluff it and go. Once I started putting a scarf on like this to tie it and flatten it and maintain
Really?
Flatten it. Because it's set.
Excuse me.
The curls are set, so you tie it so it's maintaining that shape, and then when you wake up, all you have to do is just fluff it.
Interesting, because I tie it the opposite way, where I flip my scarf, like kind of like.
No. So you want to tie it so it's
I kind of go like
just
this, and then it's like sticking out from the top. Oh my god.
Because you can always fluff, but once it's up, you can't smush it back down.
Yeah. Oh. Now that's definitely something that I'm gonna try. I mean, well, at the time of me recording this voiceover, I've already tried it, and it is very different and efficient. So I think I'm gonna make a video about how I take care of my hair in this state, especially around a wash and go, and how the wash and go evolve over the week. Because that's a question that I get often. How do you preserve the style? When it comes to natural hair, I feel like we're always in the mindset of preserving our style so that it lasts forever. I mean, with something like this, I do understand because it's expensive, but we always want to protect our hair. We want to preserve it. We want our styles to last as long as possible. We want our braids to last as long as possible. And I think at the root of it all, that's probably why we struggle with dryness, because we're just not putting water in our hair often enough. Regardless of the style, regardless of the method, water is the ultimate moisturizer. Every time I get my hair done, I always tell the stylist to take off all of my split ends. But I mean, the focus is still split ends. Get rid of them all. So in addition to updating my shape and cutting the back and the sides of my hair, she went ahead and dusted the ends. I did tell her to remove all of my split ends, so I hope that's what she did. We added final touches, and I appreciate the fact that she made sure that I saw my hair in every angle and that I was extremely satisfied with the service. And then it was time to go home. And we're back. Okay, I know I said I was gonna cut my hair, and low-key, I wanna grow it because of the naysayers in my comment section that are talking about this method don't work because everybody got short hair. But when you can get a shape like this, I know you see it. Let me put you down so we can talk. When you can get a shape like this, why would you not want it? I know we love long hair, and I do too. And technically, she only took a little bit off the back, mostly up the back, and the top, she just dusted my ends. I really wanted to get all the split ends out, especially in the back, because y'all know I be going to bed without my bonnet on, and it's a crime to still say that in 2023, but lock me up. It looks so good, and my hair is so soft, so defined. Y'all see how long she took to really wash my hair, and she did say I had some product buildup on my scalp. I need to clarify a little bit more, but anyways, I love getting my hair done because I could never get results like this on my own, and I don't even know if I want to, because the amount of work that went into doing this, it takes a lot of time. We want stylist quality results, but we don't really want to put stylist quality work in, and by we I mean I. But this is the hair. I'll give you a full 360. Boom, and then boom, boom. Oh. Get into this definition. I hope that you can see it. You know, it has movement. It's so soft. Like, I put my fingers in there and I'm like, is that even my hair? Is it my hair? I'm always so shocked at how soft my hair can actually get every time I go and get this done. This is the new, just in time for summer. We're gonna let it grow. I do like how heavy it is on top, so I'm probably gonna let it grow out this way. I said that last time too, but we'll see. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And actually, you know what, maybe I should do a video of like the evolution of this wash and go. I think that'll be a cool video. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.